In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Notion loading issues if your Notion page is stuck on a spinner, taking forever to open, or just showing a blank screen. Don't worry, I'll walk you through a simple flow to get things working again. First, head over to notion.com in your browser. This is the safest starting point because it takes you straight to the official site. Once you're there, click Login or Launch Notion, depending on what you see on the page. That will open your workspace just like normal. If the page doesn't load properly, start by clicking the reload icon at the top of your browser. A quick refresh often resolves small hiccups like a stalled request or a temporary glitch. Give it a moment after reloading so your content has time to reconnect and render. Next, make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Notion runs in the cloud, which means it needs a solid link to sync pages, databases, and media. If your connection is fluctuating or very slow, the app may get stuck while loading. Stability matters more than raw speed, so even a modest connection will usually be fine as long as it's steady. If you're on a shared network, keep in mind that heavy activity from other devices can make Notion feel sluggish. If things still aren't loading as expected, it's a good idea to check whether Notion itself is having an issue. Open a new tab in your browser, and in the search or address bar, type status.notion. So, this is Notion's official status page. Here you can see at a glance if Notion is fully operational, if there's a partial outage, or if the servers are down. You'll also find details about specific components like the editor, sync, or databases, along with timestamps and updates. If the status page shows an incident, the problem isn't on your end. In that case, the best move is to wait for the team to resolve it. The page will update as progress is made. To recap, go to notion.com, click Login or Launch Notion, try a quick reload, confirm your internet connection is stable, and if needed, check status.notion. So to see if there's a service-wide issue, following this sequence helps you rule out the common causes quickly and safely without changing any settings or risking your data. That's it for today's walkthrough. I hope this helped you get Notion loading smoothly again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.